All right, let's see how she's doing. She's actually we're making good progress. We're learning. Yeah. Hey, you want to play with this for a second? Yeah, she likes this. Nolan bought this for her when we picked her up at the Kentucky Humane Society on Steedley Drive, or Steedley Avenue. It is off Strawberry Lane. She likes this one, Nolan. She's like Lola was. They definitely have their favorite toys. She's not biting. Hey, you're such a good girl. That's right. We're not nipping. Look, I can hold your hand. Look at this. I can hold your hand. Oh, she's so sweet. She's so sweet. I like to hold your hand. Squeezing you. Yeah. So sweet. Hey, you want to play fetch?